Okay, at this point, all the windows have been placed. So let's work on this window. This one's a little special because it's going to go this entire length, which is greater, right? It's 4'6". It's greater than our window, our typical. So let's take our typical and let's place it get it in place. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to stretch it and move it over. So let's explode our block. Let's go and just move that jamb over, right? And then we'll take the items that make up the block, grab the grips, and you could actually hold down your shift button and grab all of them at one time if you want, and move it over. So now you have your windows in place. We're going to go in here and draw some lines so that we can trim this door. Go. Okay, so we trimmed, and we will go around and trim everything so that when we hatch, you won't have a problem with it bleeding over. But let's, at this point, my dog wants to go out. Let's go ahead and draw some of these lines in and start trimming. Trim some of these up. We'll go back in and trim some more. It's just these doors, these jambs, because these walls are wider. Okay, so we're going to go through, I'm going to pick that point and that point so it has a better look. Okay. Okay, so we start cleaning up these doorways. There we go. All right. Looks pretty good, right? Okay, so now we need to create some doors that we don't have already. One of them is we're going to create this sliding door right here. And the way it is now, when I look at this layer, it's actually on the door layer. It could probably be on the glaze layer, but let's just leave it on the door layer for now. So this is a 5-foot opening, so that means our sliding doors are going to be 2'6". So let's go on the door layer. Let's draw a rectangle that is 2 feet 6 inches by 1.5 inches. Okay, I'm going to take this upper point, put it on the midpoint. See that? So it's centered. Take this lower point, right? That's how you show that one door can slide over the other and that it's a sliding door. And they will know this. Okay, so now let's go down to here and create your bifold door. So this is a 5-foot opening. So I'm going to find the center point. 2'6". Sorry, 2'6". I'm going to go ahead and trim this that out. Okay, so it's nice and clean. I'm going to match properties. So everything's on the right layer, correct? Now I need to make these bifold doors. So if it's 5 feet divided by 4, you have to do math like this. You're going to take 5 times 12 to get inches. So it's 60 inches. And we divide it by 4. It means that each one of those panels is 15 inches. Okay, so we're going to come down here. Again, we're going to make a rectangle. Dimensions 15 by 1.5. There we go. So I'm going to move this up, right, to here, and I'm going to rotate it. Since it's going down, it's going to be negative 45, and there is my one bifold. Now you use the mirror command and create your second one. You could use your mirror command again, or you could copy. There we go. So now we have our doors placed. The only thing left would be the opening for the garage.